PM Simon Ekpa have come outside and said that Nigeria government is currently in Turkey negotiating to buy a new fighter jet in order way to bomb Biafra land. Things are really happening. He said that the Nigeria army are crying hard because no Igbo Biafra want to join their army again. Things are really happening. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. If today is the first time you are coming and you have not subscribed to this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Or may you rush right now, go subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow our page. Turn your notification bell so that anytime where we upload, you will be the first person to get them. Very important. Let's look into the Wenge news where we get for hand today. They say the PM will be Simon Ekpa don't come outside. They say Nigeria army are currently in Turkey. They are negotiating to buy a new fighter jet so that they will use it and come and bomb Biafra. We are going to play you the video for you to watch and also look into the write-up regarding the post where Simon Ekpa made.
Turkish fighter. This is Turkish fighter. This is Turkish fighter. The fifth generation fighter. Yes. So this is under development right now. We conducted a rollout ceremony and taxi test is ongoing. By the end of this year, inshallah, we are planning to first flight. This platform contains all features for the fifth generations, extended combat radius, internal weapon bay, stealth mode, all features. This is a twin engine platform.
So looking like the F-35?
Yes, so according to our assumption and calculation, this is between the F-35 and F-22. Yes.
DB2?
No, these are Aksungur and Ankara. So we said these are game changers of the operational concept. We can use these aircraft for a variety of operations, air missions, maritime operations, border security, strike missions as well. So yes, all of them, these four products are operational and combat proven right now, and Philippine Air Force and hopefully in Nigerian Air Force. These Aksungur and Anka, in total they have almost 225,000 operational flight hours. Item pre-production.
What is the endurance?
And this one has endurance for 30 hours, 30, and this has 50 hours, more than 2 days.
50 hours?
Yes. The maximum altitude is 30,000.
Okay, the prototype of Nigerian SAR-2 that was launched in 2011, August 17 specifically. The satellite has 4 bands. It has a 5-meter multispectral resolution and 2.5 meter panchromatic. So then, aside from that, when the satellite was launched, the data from the satellite after the analysis have been used in security operations. Then we have, aside from the launching of the satellite, we have to work with the security agencies. We collaborated with them in some of their staff in security.
Welcome back my people. As I watched that video, I'm seeing some Nigeria officials negotiating with Turkish for new fighter jet according to the PM Simon Ekpa. Let's read that the write-up regarding this video. It says, breaking: the Nigeria terrorist army air force are fed up with America Tucano fighter jets they are currently using against Biafra Liberation Army. So last week they went for window shopping Turkish fighter jets to acquire new jets. Hello my wonderful people, this one it shocked me, but however anyone they like, let them buy. The Chukwu Gabiama will strike it down, because this channel supports anyone who is fighting for his freedom or any just cause. We support you. So this is what is currently going on. Why Simon Ekpa bring it up for Biafras to see what is happening. Not be smart, you know. I want me to leave your own contribution put for this matter. Do you think they go buy them, and do you think they go use them? I guess Biafra as usual. So anything will be opinion, may you leave it for comment section. Let's go and look for more update of what is going on as we are talking. The PM Simon Ekpa don't come outside to say that Biafra Liberation Army are currently having their own base in Abuja. Say this will actually happen very soon. Let's look more detail about that. They say they even know that our Abuja beans is cooking. We will serve it very soon. Biafra Liberation Army is in Abuja for a big show. No be smart, you know. That means say na woto promise go happen for that area. Let's go and look for more details of what is happening right now as we are talking. According to Simon Ekpa, he said that the Nigeria army are currently evacuating their people from Biafra, their families from Biafra land, regarding what is going on, especially those who live in barrack. Let's look more details about this. It said breaking. The Nigeria terrorists in army uniform are evacuating their families from barrack to private house in Biafra territory. We are warning Biafra house owners not to rent their house to any Nigeria army on uniform, because Biafras will visit and it will be the worst mistake you made renting your house to terrorists. If you have rented your house to terrorists and killer in army uniform, refund the money back to the killer between today being 27 September 2023 to 30th of October 2023. After this date, every one of them is expected to have evacuated your house and go back to their barracks. Otherwise, what the Biafrans will do to the barracks, which should be the hosted of their terrorists and the killer of Biafra civilian, will happen in your house. So this information is coming from Simon Ekpa, that from this date, which is they have given here, that they expect them from 27/9/2023 to 30/10/2023, that they should go back to their barracks, the rented apartment they have rented. What the Biafras will do to them in their barracks will be what will happen in your house, according to Simon Ekpa. Things are really happening. Let's go and look into more details of what is going on in Biafra land as we are speaking. It's a breaking. The terrorist army are crying that after our announcement, no youth want to join their terrorists in uniform, and for that reason, they want to recruit youth corpers. Our warning goes to every youth corpers. If you want to die and waste all your suffering while in school, go and join them. And if you are deployed to Biafra after 6 months of your training, na me go post your video here. Simon Ekpa, PM Biafra government in exile. No be smart, you know. Things are really happening. This message, it goes to the to the youth corps they currently want to recruit, because according to the information that the youth no longer want to join their army or uniform. So for that reason, they are trying to recruit youth corps, that the youth corps they want to recruit, if they come to Biafra land, Simon Ekpa promised them that he's going to be the one that will post their video. Things are really happening. The information where would they get right now be say they say that some group of people, whether they call Southeast Development Group, have urged FG to release Nnamdi Kanu because to end sit at home. The development are no longer coming to Southeast regarding what is happening based on the sit at home and other activities. Nobody haven't called the FG to release Nnamdi Kanu, but they are purposing doing what they are doing in order to cripple Southeast. But one thing you people forgot is that people who did not fall during the war can never fall again, because Igbo man has that gift of common sense to build wealth. So bringing them down, even though if we take them 1 week again to recover, they will still excel anywhere they are. So this is what they forgot after giving them 20 pounds during the war, and today they have many millionaires, just that Nigeria refused to announce them. But however, you will soon announce them by yourself. So this is what is going on. We are bringing to you as they happen. Hello my people, don't forget to share this video. Very, very important. Share the video so that other people will get the information where will they pass for here. Will they try break our information the way where everybody go feel understand them, so that they go know what they go on. We are not here to speak grammars, but we are here to make our people may they understand what they happen for where they. Okay, we will see you for the next update.